What's up, you guys? Back at it again. Today is another video. This is the start of the P38 Range Rover 1999 build. So this is gonna be kind of our camping slash off-road vehicle. Today we are gonna do fluids. I'm gonna break it down into 4 different videos. I think today we're only gonna do 3 of the fluids instead of 4. Sorry. Because I don't have the kit for the transmission. When I get that, then we'll get that done. So if in the next 3 videos you see me wearing the same thing and it seems like it's just the same video, just know that it probably is, because I'm gonna be breaking it down into 3 different videos for you guys. But today we're gonna start with the oil change. We're gonna do the engine oil change, then we'll go and then we'll go on from there. You got it? So yes, I know I've been gone for a month and a half with everything we have going on with the house, the baby coming, the wedding, work, COVID. We had all COVID here. We couldn't record, or I couldn't record or keep up with you guys, so I apologize, but we're here. I'm gonna be here when I can and when I cannot, especially when the baby comes. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to record and take care of the baby, spend time with Elizabeth and Ashley and the baby, and dealing with the car. So this year is just gonna be that random videos whenever I can. So go ahead and hit that subscribe, the bell button, so that way every time I upload, you know when I upload and you can watch it if you want. I don't know. So let's get to it. Let's get going. So yeah, let's go. All right, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the hood. So we go ahead under here, you open that, you go over here. It's kind of tricky. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, but there's like a little lever here. You just pop up and then this should go up and stay up. So it has the original engine in it. We haven't done the swap yet. Hint tint. But it is a little dirty, a little beat up. I don't know why everything's spilling off. So hopefully that's not bad. But we located the oil fill. We're gonna fill up the oil. So that's good. We're gonna wait for that. So we're gonna go under the car and look for the oil pan bolt to drain. So let's go. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna try to go under the car. We got an oil pan, 15 socket. If you have a short socket, you better try to stay off of the long bolts. I tried to, but in this case I couldn't find a short socket, so going with the long socket. Come on, I'm on this little AutoZone cart because I don't want to be on the floor. I know, I'm a big baby. Anyways, so here's the oil pan. I lifted it up, but because I only have these little tiny jack stands, they suck because they don't go high enough. The truck is way too high, but they're there. The body of the truck is actually high. The wheel itself is touching the ground because of articulation, or whatever the hell you say it. But here is the bolt. Sorry if the camera is not right. I'm doing it from outside, pretty much on the other side of the axle. So it's right there, and the filter is right here. Pretty simple. I should be able just to like take that off, and then we'll get to it. So let's see how this goes. Alright, you guys, so we got it off. So it's wet under there, so I'm assuming it's leaking oil. So I am gonna have to change this little thing because it looks like it's coming apart. I don't know if you guys can see, but see how like the washer seal thing is coming off. So I think it's time to replace it. I don't know when was the last time it got replaced, but that oil is pretty nasty. Oh look, even see? Yeah, we're gonna have to replace that. So a little drive to local auto parts. Hopefully they have it, because parts for this car is pretty hard to find. There have to be special orders, so hopefully they have this on there. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so just got back. Unfortunately, fortunately, I had to buy the whole thing that brings all that for $8 when I only need one little washer. So I guess this is the closest one I could find to it. I don't know if it is. It fits on it, so hopefully I don't leak, and we're good. It's Super Bowl Sunday, right? Today, while I'm recording this. So if you hear all this noise going around, it's probably everyone at the house here for Super Bowl. I'm not a Super Bowl fan. I am going for the Bengals, so hopefully Bengals win, because I have a couple bets. So anyways, but like if you can see, it fits perfect. So hopefully it doesn't leak. Hopefully it didn't. That one wasn't like this and leaked, so, and broke. So hopefully we're gonna cross our fingers and hopefully it will work. So let's get to it. Let's go and finish this oil change. Let's go. Don't forget to always lube. Make sure to lube your ring. Makes it hurt less. I mean, it makes it last longer. Alright, then we go ahead and insert it.
Oh my god, what do you want? Ah!
I'm recording here, by the way.
Oh shit. Oh my god. You're gonna voice over it anyway.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna leave it on. Alright. Alright, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was it for the oil change on the Range Rover P38. I don't know why I keep wanting to say T on it. So P38 Range Rover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on my social media, hit that bell sign thing right next to the subscribe button, so you know every time I upload, because it's not gonna be consistent. So whenever I do, then just I'll appreciate if you watch it. But I didn't do a full how-to on it. I just showed you where everything was at, because I feel like a lot of people already know how to do an oil change. If you don't know how to do an oil change and you want me to do a how-to step-by-step oil change, we have all these cars here that we can just do an oil change that need oil changes. So if you want that, go ahead and comment down below. Be like, hey, I want to know how to step-by-step how to do my oil change. So with that said, I will see you guys next time. Bye.